in shock. Easy, Adnan. Don't hurt her.
I'm not.
You're not letting her play with it.
I'm playing.
No, you should be gentle and slow.
Look out! Check it.
You gotta get closer to her and let her play with it. You're not letting play.
She is playing.
Okay, well, don't do it too fast so she can catch it. There you go.